Page setup. Setting page layout. When we want to print a document, the word processor has to be told as to how the document should appear on the page. That is, its paper size, margins, layout of paper, etc. Steps to change the page layout. Click on Page Layout menu. Click on the Page Setup option. Page Setup dialog box will be opened. Click on the Margin option to set the margin of the document. We can set top, right, left margin. We can also change the gutter position of the document. The gutter position is the margin that we leave for binding of the pages. We can also change the orientation position and change to Portrait and Landscape. Portrait is the vertical page, taller than wide. Landscape is the horizontal page, wider, not taller. We can choose the size of page by clicking on Paper tab. We can choose the page size like A4, letter, etc. Else, we can select the width and height of the paper. Click on OK button.